This is our first time trying balut. She has strong hands because she's kneading it for quite a while. So today we're in Siem Reap in Bakong where they make Nom Banh Chok.
Yes, and this place is actually going to show us how they make it, and then we might even have a shot of trying it, and then of course we're going to eat it.
Yep, and they make prohok Nom Banh Chok, so fermented fish kind of noodle soup.
We've not had that before, so
so we're going to try it. Okay, so the first step is to mix the flour and water in this mixer. Kind of looks like a cement mixer. And this is to make it sticky so that the noodles can all stick together.
Okay, so she's just taken the mixture out of the mixing to mix all the flour and the water together, and she's put it in a bowl, and she's just like kneading it to get the air out before she puts it into the
strainer, I guess.
A strainer,
So it makes the pasta shape when it gets squished down.
So a lot of hands-on cooking.
Yeah, it's a long process.
Yeah, it's a long process, but they've got it down to an art, so they do it so quickly.
She's
cool
in
to
flow
watch.
state.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like Play-Doh.
It does sort of look like Play-Doh.
She has strong hands because she's kneading it for quite a while.
Yeah, she just keeps adding water to it.
Yeah.
Okay, so she kind of just rolled it up a little bit, and then she's put it into this little container here, where that will then go onto the stove and
get pushed down. So and then noodles will come out the bottom. Okay.
So she's put like a weight on it now.
And then she'll put a jack on the top of that, like this.
Jack it up! Okay, so she's just left it for a little bit to set, and now she's pumping it down so it gets pushed out through the bottom through little holes, making the noodles.
Yeah, and she's kind of swirling the water around so the noodles can move with the water, so they've got somewhere to go.
Yeah.
So it can just make a continuous line of noodle.
And the water looks pretty hot, so it's cooking very fast.
Okay, so as you can see, it's really busy with local people, which means the food is good.
Yeah, and it's been pretty busy all morning. The whole time we've been here, there's been quite a lot of
queue out of the door, so it must be really popular.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះនូនងតនៅភូមិអវឡកស្រុកប្រាសាទបាកងខេត្តសៀមរាបរាល់ថ្ងៃអ៊ំមុខរបរអ៊ំលក់នំបញ្ចុកទឹកប្រហុកមានពងទាកូនត្រីអាំងនំបញ្ចុកបន្លែទឹកប្រហុកលក់ជាប្រចាំថ្ងៃរាល់ថ្ងៃដាច់មួយល្មមមិនដាច់ពេកមិនខ្វះភ្ញៀវពេកទេគឺមួយល្មម
How did she learn how to make it?
បើជាសាច់នំយើងចេះពីម៉ែឪយើងយាយតាយើងមកទី1អង្គយើងត្រាំហើយយើងយកទៅកិនសម្រស់ស្រស់ហើយយើងយកមកស្ងោរគេហៅជាកបៅនំកិនហើយស្ងោរហើយជាកបៅហើយយើងស្រង់មកយើងវៃនឹងបស្ងៃគេប្រើម្ទឿណាកូនវៃនឹងម្ទឿជាឲ្យវាល្អិតរួចហើយទៅយើងវៃបានទាន់ហើយយើងយកមកញីវាដាក់ក្នុងប៉ែននេះរួចទៅបានយើងដាក់ក្នុងប៉ែននេះទៅគេសង្កត់ចាបានចេញជាតសៃនេះបើទឹកប្រហុកយើងទើបនឹងចេះទេ
Yeah, how many years has she like done this for?
អ៊ំលក់ចាប់ផ្ដើមលក់ពី2021
And she has tourists visit.
មុនដំបូងគាត់មានទេដូចថាចាយើងមានតែអ្នកភូមិដល់ក្រោយមកយើងមានសាសាឡាទៅដល់ឃើញសាសាឡាអស់មានបរទេសកាត់ចូលដែលយើងរៀបតូបអីចេះទៅគិតខ្លះថាមានបាយមានជាអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់អីទៅណាគិតចូលរោទៅដល់អត់មានគិតញ៉ាំនំបញ្ចុកនេះទៅខ្លះគិតអត់ញ៉ាំនំបញ្ចុកទេគិតតែគិតចង់ចូលមកមើលចេះទៅគិតញ៉ាំភេសជ្ជៈ
Oh wow, that's good. Has she had this machine the whole time?
ពីម៉ែឪយើងពីមុនយើងអត់ប្រើឧបករណ៍នេះទេយើងរោយដៃគាត់កាន់នោះយើងកិនដៃហើយយើងប្រើក្តឿងហើយយើងរោយដៃប៉ែនចេះមកយើងចាប់ចេះរោយចេះដល់ឥឡូវយើងឆ្នៃយើងចាឥឡូវគេមានដូចទៅយើងឆ្នៃធ្វើខ្លួនយើង
Does her family work with her?
មានជួលគេប៉ុន្តែអត់មានអ្នកដទៃទេប្អូនថ្លៃហើយនឹងក្មួយ
And is this her house?
ចានេះផ្ទះអ៊ំ
Okay. Okay.
It's lovely.
Where did they buy the mixer machine?
ទិញនៅផ្សារនៅសៀមរាបក៏មានចាកន្លែងគេរកគ្រឿងមកទឺ
What's her favorite Khmer food?
មុខនិយាយពីរឿងមុខម្ហូបខ្មែរគឺសាឡកកូសាឡកកកូ
Salad coco. What's
អានោះគឺបន្លែគ្រប់មុខសាឡនំបញ្ចុកខ្មែរយើងគឺសាឡប្រហើរឈានមុខគេចាសាឡប្រហើរនំបញ្ចុកនេះណាចា
Oh, so we have had it or no? Oh, okay. Right. Is she open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or just?
តាព្រឹកយើងបើកពីម៉ោង8ដល់ល្ងាចម៉ោង6យ៉ាងយូរចា
Okay. Okay.
ចាអរគុណច្រើនសុខសប្បាយចា
Okay, so we've just finished interviewing the owner of this restaurant. She was absolutely lovely. It was so interesting, like hearing about her experience here.
Yeah, she actually started it in COVID, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's a hard time to start.
Yeah, hard time to start. But it's a really authentic restaurant, just run with her and her family.
Yeah.
They literally live behind the restaurant.
And it's been so interesting, like being able to see, like so up close on how the process is and how it's made and stuff like that.
It's very intricate.
Yeah.
They don't even time it. They just know how to do everything. They could close their eyes and do it. So I would really suggest tourists to come and visit here. It's close to the temples, so if you're near the temples, come and visit. And you can try Nom Banh Chok, or if you don't want it, they can feed you something else. Or if you just want to see how it's made, it's really interesting, and it's a chance to speak to local people. So yeah.
Okay, so now it's actually finally time to go eat it and try it.
Let's try it.
And let's go.
So we've been informed of how to eat the Nom Banh Chok. So you just use your hands.
And you
just take some. Okay, get some noodles.
Oh, we're doing it right. Sorry, we're doing it right now. Okay, there we go.
It's a hefty portion of noodles.
It is a hefty portion.
Okay.
I might actually get a little bit more. Ooh.
Okay, and then you take as many vegetables as you want. So what is this? Like spinachy kind of green leaves? Okay, this is like
and
cabbage.
Cabbage. And some, I know these are beans. Guys, our chopstick skills have got so much better. and then some fish.
We're supposed to just kind of pick it.
Yeah.
Can you use your hands? Or no?
I think you just...
Oh, I see.
Ooh, that looks good fish. We'll be here all day if it's...
That is literally just a whole fish. So, right. And then we have the sauce. So this is the pro hoc sauce.
Yes.
So fermented fish.
And this is the non-spicy one, which I will be having.
And this is the spicy one,
Yeah.
which I will try. It looks really spicy though. So
And they've also got like sugar on the table, so if you make it too salty or sour, you can add some of that to sweeten it up.
Don't do what I was about to do. I was gonna just put the whole ladle of sauce in it. It's not supposed to be like a soup. You're just supposed to.
There you go. And then give it a mix. Guys, these noodles were made like so fresh.
I know, yeah.
Like
we literally just saw her make them like, oh, there's a spider in my bowl.
Sorry, I'm just getting
That's okay, I've got a good bite. Ready. You can't even see your sauce. Okay.
Ready. Oi! Sorry.
What did you just say 2 seconds ago?
I know, I just jinxed it.
Okay. Cheers, Chol Moi.
Cheers. Oh wow.
That's good. Oh, it's spicy. Oh. It's yummy, but it's spicy. That's quite a lot of noodles. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, that's a great idea actually. Pumi said that if you make it too spicy, you can just add the not spicy one, and then it won't be as spicy.
That fish is really good as well.
And the vegetables obviously are good, and noodles. Oh yeah, we need to add, I forgot. Right. It's warm.
Oh, it is what? Oh,
Okay.
that's hot.
This is our first time trying balut. So,
I think I have had it before.
oh, I've not. Bummy. Okay,
I'm not used to this.
I'm not used to this either.
Okay.
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 How do you guys even pick this up? Are you supposed to eat it with chopsticks? A spoon.
You can, yeah. See? Yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
Already.
It tastes like egg and baby chicken. I think, yeah.
It's good.
If you mixed it all around, it would taste
Yeah.
yummy, I think. We're just not used to the...
We're just not used to
it.
But it is really good.
Yeah, I really like the noodle
The
and
noodles,
the fish.
yeah. The sauce is really good as well.
Okay, so we finished our breakfast, the Nom Banh Chok. It was an
good.
experience.
It was an experience,
nice.
yeah.
But next we're going to go to Bakong Village,
Yeah.
where they have roast pork and very special pancake,
Which I'm super excited for.
that's like one of my
Really good.
favourite things to eat.
Yes.
So yeah, come with us. Let's go.
Where, wow. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So cute.
Awesome. It's Tom Tom, barang Tom Tom. Oh, it's mang.